Let's continue our discussion on string. So as I was telling you in the last part, let's say if I have taken an age to be 20 and now in another variable I'm saying I am plus str age value, which is going to print out the value of age for me, plus I'm saying years old. So it will be returning me I am 20 years old. So this is what going to be my output here. Similarly, if I just want to print out this value, I can just say print and I can just say my underscore age. You can notice it is returning me I am 20 years old. Similarly, there's another way of also printing the same. I could have just said that I am, and now I could have just said this 0, right? Now, which means that whatever this first value will be coming from here should be replacing with this. So here it will mean I am and the format will again match here because of the format function, and it will say I am 20 years old. So this is exactly going to return me exactly the same output. Let's do that. So if I come here and say this, it's gonna return me I am 20 years old again. Similarly, just want to show you the importance of this 0 part which I showed you up, which means that I'm talking about first, second, third, like that, right? So same way, if you look here, I have like 0. So because I have written like 3 string, which is ABC. And when I say 0, it means I'm talking about the first one, which is format A. So A means data. This 1 means I'm talking about B. B means analysis. This using, and then after that 2. So 2 means C, which means NumPy. So it's going to return data analysis using NumPy. Okay, interesting. So this is the way you can even output your basically your statement. So let's execute this. So you can see that data analysis using NumPy. Similar way, I can also concatenate and even update my value. So like in this case, let's say if I'm saying name is equal to name plus C, this plus is equal to means name is equal to name plus, which is again a concatenation. So name was containing already Geeks Up Tech Love Private Limited. If you remember, we have done it above. So in this, I just added a space and then my age. So then my age contains already this value which I had. I am 20 years old. So that's the reason it have appended both these two strings. So this is also an interesting way of getting this output. Similarly, if I want to check whether this as is a part of assignment, so I can say X and Y, means is X a part of Y. So it is yes, so that's the reason it is going to return you true. So this is how you can work with your string component.